Is VLC Media Player not working on your computer and not playing anything at all? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's get right into the solutions without any delay. Solution 1. Disable hardware decoding in VLC. To do this, open up VLC Media Player on your computer. Then click on Tools from the top bar. Next, click on Preferences from the drop-down menu. After that, switch to the Input/Codecs tab. Then choose Disable from the drop-down menu for hardware accelerated decoding. Lastly, click on Save. Now check if the issue is fixed or not. Solution 2. Set the proper video output API. To do this, open up VLC Media Player again. Next, click on Tools from the top bar. Then click on Preferences from the drop-down menu. After that, switch to the Video tab. From here, click on this box next to Output and select OpenGL Video Output API from the drop-down menu. Then click on Save and check if the issue is fixed. If not, come to this section again, select Windows GDI Video Output and save these changes. Now, check again and see if the issue is solved. Solution 3. Reset preferences in VLC Media Player. To do this, open up VLC Media Player again. After that, click on Tools from here. Then click on Preferences from the drop-down menu. Now hit that Reset Preferences button and then click on OK. And all the saved settings should reset to default. Now check if this did the trick for you. Solution 4. Increase file caching. For this one, open up VLC Media Player. Next, click on Tools from the top bar, then click on Preferences from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the All checkbox from here. After that, click on Input and Codecs from the left side menu, then scroll all the way to the end and find the file caching option. Increase it 2500 or more and click on Save. Now, the player should work without any issue. So folks, that's how you troubleshoot VLC Media Player not working issue in Windows 11. If the video helped you sort out the problem, hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for tuning in.